bugs.
Wow.
Bugs.
Bugs.
It's a book on bugs.
Look.
Bugs ABCs. Wow. What's it? Ooh, A is for ants. B is for bees and butterflies. Wow, it's got all sorts of bugs. Wow, it's got
You like it?
J.
Want to open another one? Okay.
Open more. Put this off to the side.
There you go. Now here you go.
Yeah. It's more than a nose. There's a whole baby attached to it. Better call my mother. Wake up, dingo, dingo, dingo.
Another book? It's Dora. Yeah, you're right. It's Dora. Wow. Counting of Dora.
Wow. You want to open another book?
Okay.
Or another present, I mean?
Wow, I got 2 books.
Yeah.
What about that one? Need help? There you go.
Somebody.
That's
That's Peppa.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. That's cool. Peppa Pig.
Link, ding, link, ding, ding, link, ding.
Ding, 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 ding. I want to sit on Leia's pig's lap.
Now here, open that present. Grab that one of those little ones for Tyven to open. Peppa Pig books.
Open present, buddy. Come on. Come on,
Here, Leia, look. Oh. Okay. Look, open the book. Peppa book. Here, scoot her back a little bit.
A lot of Peppa books. Oh, there's a daddy. Wow, a lot of Peppa books. Peppa's garden, Peppa's favorite things, Peppa's playground. Wow. Ooh, she's got a dollhouse. Wow, that's cool.
Ty wants to sit on your lap or something.
Look, Tyven.
It's okay, just leave it in his lap till he wants to open it.
Open it. Tyven,
Yeah, Princess Sophia. She said thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, wow, Princess Sophia?
Yes.
I really had this here for this. Okay. Well, do you want to open another present?
Oh, yes.
Bronchiosaurus.
He's got a long neck. It's actually Brachiosaurus.
What is it? Pop-up.
Pop-up book?
Wow, another pop-up book. Look at those pop-up books.
Wow. Open it up and see what it looks like inside. Open your book. No.
Oh,
Wow, it pops up.
Wow, that's cool. Wow.
Wow, do you like it?
You like it?
Here, now put it down. Want to open another present?
Another present? Good time, Mom.
Look what Tyven's got.
What's that? Want to open that?
Here, let him pull it open. Pull it, baby. Take his bottle. Here, baby, look. What is it? Is it crayons and stickers?
Ooh, Jake and the Pirate. Crowns and stickers.
Crayons and stickers and a coloring book. Wow. You like it? Now here you go. Open this one. Ivan. Yeah, crayons.
Cool crowns. Cool Jake and Neverland Pirate crowns.
Do you like them?
Hey, you tell her more. Crayons. Those are cool looking crayons. Wow, look how cool those crayons are.
Well, here, how about that?
Hey, they got a bunch of presents.
What's that?
Oh, Mommy Pig.
Mommy Pig.
Where'd Peppa Pig go? There she is. Where's Mommy Pig?
Open her up.
Peppa! Peppa! Ah.
Tyven, open yours. Look what Tyven has. Tyven's got little brother George.
Tyven, look, Tyven got George.
Tyven got little brother George.
He got that pig.
Want my long neck bunny.
Y'all only cares about that dinosaur. Open this, baby. Look,
That's a
baby.
new present.
Baby, look.
Baby.
Look, baby. He's going off. So he don't stare at it.
Look, Tyven.
You want another present, Leia? Look, Tyven.
Oh,
Oh, look,
Tyven.
Leia's got Daddy Pig.
Another dinosaur.
Wow, we have the whole family.
Dinosaur.
Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, Peppa Pig, and
Yay.
little brother George. And Mommy Pig.
Daddy Pig.
Mommy Pig and Dotty Pig. Okay. Oh, here's one for Tyven.
Here, let me open one.
No.
Last.
Daddy opens presents last.
Open present. Wow, Jake and Megan Pilot. Cool action figures.
It's called Doll.
Wow, new
Open
car.
it up for him.
A car.
What do you say, Tyven? A big old Baba baby. A big old Baba baby.
Big old baby. Oh, is this a new car?
Wow, Leia, you like those?
I like those.
Here, you want want to open this one?
Have a look at the car.
What is that? Is that a kitty? Wow, look at him. That's cute, Leia. Put her down to help she walks. Watch. Is it cute? Do you like it? Do you like that little kitty?
The barking kitty. Don't you sorry?
Aw, thank you. You like that kitty? You like her? Okay, you want to open another present?
You're so cute. Let's try with another one. Present.
Doc McStuffins? Wow.
What is it?
Wow.
Elmo microphone flashlight. Whatever it is.
Wow, Leia. Doc McStuffins. You like it?
Wow, Doc McStuffin toys? Man, you sure are getting a lot of cool figures.
Let's open it.
You better open this first.
Yeah.
Yes, Ivan? Totally got the giraffe.
A banana toothbrush.
Banana toothbrush.
Here.
Don't look everywhere, man.
Baby, look.
What is that? There you go. Yeah, you got the right idea.
Look, he's doing it. I knew he'd like that to chew on.
Oh wow, Daniel Tiger toys. Daniel
like
Tiger's
it?
Neighborhood. Man, you're getting all sorts of cool toys.
You like it, Leia?
Open it.
We can't open it right now. Let's wait a
We gotta
minute.
finish opening your
Gotta
presents, then
open
we'll open them
presents
up.
first.
Rawr.
Ivan, look. You got a present.
Ivan, little cookies.
What is that?
Cookies.
Yeah, a stethoscope.
That's some scissors.
Not do it.
Wow.
Well, it's like Doc McStuffins.
Doc McStuffins.
Doctor
You got
toys.
a shot, a thermometer, whatever those are called, a reflex hammer, and a stethoscope, and some a bandage. You like it? You like it? I know she said open it. Here, Leia.
Oh, wow, a car.
He wants that one. Open that up for him. Well, a playground. Do you like it? Playground for all your toys.
Can't do nothing without them scissors.
Now wait a minute. Mommy has to come to the rescue. Here, Daddy. Here's scissors. Okay.